It's a PC Henderson door track system with a 600mm radius in the corner, and I've just used a normal tilt-a-door motor, panel lift, and I've put the motor on the other side of the track. So the track's closed at the top and it's open underneath. I bought 2 tracks, so I got an extra bit of chain, an extra bit of track length, and I got 2 of these red carriers. I've put one carrier on one side of the track and the other carrier on the other. So when it moves one particular way, the 2 track carriers meet in the middle. Is recessed in when I was doing the concreting. It's about 15 to 20mm deep and it runs the 600mm radius. I made this hardwood frame up around the top to support the track, and I've got the tightening mechanism for the panel lift system just there. Give it another run, Spencer. And when they're fully open, you've got one door returned on the side wall and the other door sort of just parked in the corner here. And we'll just close them again and finish off.